In this video, we will see how to get 80% discount in Mixo AI website builder. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get this discount, click on the first link given in this video's description and follow the steps with me. If you have never used Mixo before, click here on Get Started for free and create an account. I already have an account, so I will click on Login. Click on Sign in with Google. Select the Gmail ID and click Continue. I can see the website that I made in the past using this tool. To go to Pricing, click here on your profile and click Pricing. Click on See Pricing and we can see the different pricing plans offered by Mixo. You can see here, limited time offer, save up to 50% with annual billing, and we can still get a 30% extra discount. To get the 50% discount, make sure you have selected annual billing on the top. Compare the benefits provided by each plan and select any plan. As this is the most popular plan, I will select it. We will be redirected to the payment page. On the left, we have the option to add a promotion code. Click on it, type Launch 30, and click Apply. You can see that we have received a 30% discount, and we already received a 50% discount by using the limited time offer. This means we received an almost 80% discount. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want to know about another AI tool to build websites, check the video on the left. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content, check the video on the right. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in a new video.